What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
You're cooking. What are you cooking? Good morning, beloveds. Welcome back to yet another video. Welcome back to yet another vlog. That's if you are an oldie, a returning subscriber, a day one, a regular. But if you are new to my channel and if this face does not look familiar to you, please do consider subscribing. Please do consider liking and also hitting the post notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. So what you're gonna get on this channel is love, family, and farming vibes. If you love that, I mean, this is the place to be. As for this video, it's going to be a farm vlog, definitely a winter farm vlog, the ones that I love the most. I started the fire quite early because today I'm planning on making some winter soup. We're having a mixed soup pack, not the chicken soup pack. We're having some beans and lentils and all the good stuff. It's winter, it's cold, and who does not love themselves some winter soup in winter? With that said, I'm going to take you through making the soup with me and any other thing that happens on the farm. I mean, anything can happen, and I am not far from the camera, so I will keep you entertained throughout this video. So please do subscribe, please do like, and please do share. Please do comment down below from where you're watching and how winter has been this far. See you throughout this vlog. Oh my word. Now what did you put in?
Eggs.
Upusa mapagdasa usadu. Upusa. Ako madi haban kubuwe.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
So beloveds, you've seen the first part of the soup making process. I cleaned the soup mix and then I put it on the stove already. So it's getting there. It's gonna take a while, but definitely it will be ready by lunch. The other thing I wanted to say is that I always use wholesome fat in most of my cooking, especially when I am cooking something very laid back, traditional, you know. This is such an important thing in my grocery list. Oh, wholesome fat, it comes a long way. I mean, it's something that my mom was using all these years, and I would always ask her, but what is that you're adding and why? What is the significance? But throughout the whole growing up phase, I could actually recall that, oh, it's this thing that is making it taste like this, or it's this thing that is making it look like this. So it's this thing that I'm always using in my food if I don't add butter. For the most part, I don't even add butter. I always add wholesome fat, and it's basically a substitute for cooking oil, also a very good substitute for cooking oil. I already put out my veggies. I have an onion, carrots, and potatoes. So this will also go into my soup, and I'm going to add minced ground beef now, because I mean, if you cook soup with meat, not everyone gets meat, and or the meat gets so shredded. So at the end of the day, you're just eating mincemeat. So I'm just gonna add minced meat so that everyone can actually get something meaty. And also, I don't want to cook the soup for so long because I've been craving it this whole time. But yeah, let's get into this video without delaying it more. So beloveds, while I'm in the kitchen, and before I forget, this is flowers. It's like, I do not know the name of the actual flower, but it's opklum, that's what we call it in Afrikaans, a rankboom. Okay, this is what it is, and I'm just replanting it because it actually died. So hopefully it will survive. And this is my apple tree. You see, there is still growth happening, so I'm very satisfied. And these are the avocados that I replanted and apples, so we might not see them now, we'll see them soon, very soon.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet.
So beloveds, I just came back to check in on you and to inform you that I'm having my breakfast. I'm having some store-bought banana bread and the coffee I just made, and it is delicious. So if I'm done here, I'm going to continue with the soup making process, and then I will take you along anywhere where this farm takes us and this vlog takes us. Okay, bye bye. Please do check in on each other, always do that. Bye bye. So beloved, for the ground beef, I'm sauteing it one side. I just wanted it to have like that roasted flavor as well, so you can see that the pan actually needs to be deglazed. I don't have wine, or I don't even use wine. I literally just use Coca-Cola. So let's get into it. This is the soup that I'm going to use, beef and vegetable flavor, the Kitchen brand. I fell in love with this brand. It's so amazing. So right here I have Imana garlic and herb and Imana oxtail flavor. This is what I'm going to add into the ground beef to add that extra oomph into it.
How to stretch when she reach like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer.
I've added some mixed herbs, some cinnamon, some salt to taste because it was a little bit dull for me. And I've also added some kapana spice and some sugar to cut on the acidity. Other than that, we are almost done. We just want the potatoes and carrots to soften, and then I will reveal the whole meal to you.
You gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire.
So this is the end product. We're just gonna add some bread. Unfortunately, I did not bake some homemade fresh farm bread. Next time I will do it. In fact, I still have cauliflower and cabbage, so I might make another winter soup next time. But this is the end product. Beautiful, eh?
Oh, die smaak. Baie lekker gekook, né? Sien jy die moekos? Wil jy dat proef? Net vir julle ook. Lekker gekook. Ek sê vir julle, die kos is lekker, want dit is sop. Smaak.
So beloveds, we have an incident here where we have two big cows that have a situation with their eye. Seems like they are kind of blind or partially blind, so we're just gonna apply some eye powder to them. And we also decided in the meanwhile, while we're already here, to spray them with some tick repellent. And this is what's going to happen now.
Higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now. Fly up out the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old.
So beloveds, the situation here is that you can see that there's an extension missing, right? So it had a crack there and then it broke, and I removed the extension and gave it to my brother to go fix it for me. And with that said, we are going to break it down further, like pack it away until that extension comes, to avoid like the whole trampoline from like breaking or having stuff missing and stuff. Yeah, so right now the kiddies have to look into another ways of entertaining themselves because they broke what they were entertaining themselves with.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, to change my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah, all cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I got you. Ooh, ooh, sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, to change my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah, all cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad.
So beloveds, we encountered a situation here, if you can see. Due to a lack of proper support, the stem actually got damaged and it was thinning out, so the entire apple tree was actually dying. But now that we found out this is the situation, we're trying to work out something to make it survive, because it still has some flow in here and it's still fine here. So we're trying to propagate it and or replant it until here and see whether it might survive. And while we opened the container that was housing the apple tree, we found that this avo is actually doing the most, so we are going to replant this one as well. Check up on my mom and give her this to make for us, you know, because I'm literally so tired and lazy at the same time. So I'm just gonna give this to her so she can do it for the kiddies, because they've been on my neck about chocolate cupcakes and chocolate muffins and brownies and chocolate. So we're just gonna make this maybe in different ways, maybe as a chocolate bread, or I don't know, my mom will just work out something for us. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, and then I'll see you when we are there. So we have a situation where one dove actually decided not to be part of the group anymore, so now we added some millies inside here. But now I see that the kiddies actually made a mess in here. Yo, look at the apple there behind even. This is such a mess. Okay, let's see. Kabuan. Sini Sezar. Udah. Kau gom. Terus.
sa kuha si Aray. Ay, Nigma, tung ungan ke. Oh, ngapap ke. Damaras ke.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, yeah. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, yeah. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, to change my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah, all because I got you. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I got you. Process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, yeah. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died.
So, beloveds, I'm actually done at my mom's house. I actually finished all the kanyas. Okay, not me alone. We were snaking on them and it was not a lot. So we managed to finish it. But I just wanted to say now that we've come to the end of this vlog. If I have to drag it longer, it will be very long. And I have content that I want to add to another vlog, not to this one, because I feel like this one is over congested at this point. But yeah, thank you for being part of this vlog. And if you've loved this vlog, please do consider subscribing. If you've loved it here, please do consider sharing and liking and hitting the notification button to be notified every time I post a new vlog. In fact, I'm posting a new vlog soon, so you don't want to miss that one out. But yeah, thank you very much and have yourself a good day. We'll see each other in the next vlog.